Think about NVIDIA, which went public in the 90s. Now it's 2024 and the stock is in its glory days. They're one of the most valuable companies in the world. Early investors had to be patient and believe in the company's vision. The same patience is what I believe is required with NIO. Building a successful tech company that returns value to stakeholders takes time. If you talk to early Tesla investors, many will tell you that it wasn't always easy being a Tesla investor. There were ups and downs, but those who believed in the long-term vision are now reaping the rewards and the fruits of their labor. NIO's on a similar trajectory. If you want to be a part of the conversation before it happens here on YouTube, click that link in the description to join the free Courtside Financial Discord. What's going on, everyone? My name is Obi, and welcome back to the Courtside Financial Podcast, the podcast where we talk about business and technology. In today's episode, we've got some interesting updates around NIO's strategy and market performance pertaining to some things that the CEO had said earlier this week. I want to address this news today, these comments. So this is going to be a super interesting video, going to be a super exciting video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 10K subscribers before the year is over. If you could help us out with that, we'd be ever so grateful. Click the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any content. Click the like button and leave a comment down below. All your engagement really does go a long way in helping out the channel. Just a quick note before we get started, it's super important to do your own research and come to your own conclusions when it comes to investing. None of this constitutes financial advice. Without further ado, let's get into the episode. First up, we've got some exciting news or exciting comment from CEO William Li. He mentioned that NIO's success might be 10 to 20 years out. What does he mean by that? Well, we'll break it down. We'll discuss why a company like this truly demands a long-term perspective. And if you don't have one, you probably shouldn't really be in this company at all. Also, we have insights from NIO's president, Quinn Li Hong, about the company's latest sales numbers and market dynamics. Let's start with that. So NIO's making waves, especially in the Yangtze River Delta region, which includes Shanghai. Incredibly, 55% of NIO's sales alone are coming from this area. In Shanghai alone, the ES6 models have doubled that of the BMW X3. Well, what makes this area so special for NIO? Well, it could be the higher financial literacy in this area and tech-savvy consumers who appreciate what NIO has to offer, especially around its battery swapping technology. But it's not all smooth sailing everywhere. In rural areas, gasoline vehicles still dominate, and there's a lack of understanding about EVs. This presents a massive growth opportunity for NIO, but obviously it's going to require additional educational efforts to shift consumer perception in Shanghai. However, NIO is the market leader, even surpassing local competitors. Now let's talk about the European tariff situation. Quinn Li Hong has had some strong words about the EU automakers. He sees tariffs as a strong signal that brands are worried about the power of Chinese EVs and the strides that they've made. This could be a strategic move to definitely protect European automakers, but it also definitely highlights just how far ahead of everyone else that China is. Quinn believes that these tariffs are more about fear than fairness, showcasing European automakers' admission that Chinese automakers are excelling in innovation and quality. Despite political undertones, NIO sees this as a positive indicator of their competitive edge on the global stage. So what about this 10-year wait that William Li mentioned? Well, the other day, he emphasized that genuine success in the automotive industry requires a long-term vision. He predicts that in 10 to 20 years, the top automakers will be out of China. With NIO aiming to be one of them, this long-term vision and perspective is crucial for NIO's sustaining growth and innovation. Lee also shared his plans for NIO's infrastructure. He envisions 100,000 battery swapping stations over the next decade or two, positioning them as crucial energy storage hubs. This could revolutionize the management and sustainability far beyond just serving EVs. Energy storage is a clear focus for NIO. Unlike Tesla, which is building separate energy storage solutions, NIO integrates this into their battery swapping stations, making them multifunctional and space efficient. This innovative approach could set NIO apart in the energy landscape. Investors might worry about the cost of such expansive and expensive infrastructure, but Li reassures that this will be a collaborative effort between NIO and their partners. NIO's goal is to build a robust, sustainable network that supports both EV adoption and broader energy needs. So what does this mean for NIO's financial future? Well, if we look at Tesla, it took them 14 years to turn a profit. I think that NIO, founded in 2014, could be on a similar path with new models like the ET5 and the ET7 expanding market presence. Profitability could just be a few years away. NIO's commitment to innovation and their long-term strategy is clear. While short-term challenges exist, their vision for the future is ambitious and well-planned. I think that as shareholders at the price point where it's at, this could be a good time to consider NIO for future potential growth. Get a water. Think about NVIDIA, which went public in the 90s. Now it's 2024 and the stock is in its glory days. They're one of the most valuable companies in the world. Early investors had to be patient and believe in the company's vision. The same patience is what I believe is required with NIO. Building a successful tech company that returns value to stakeholders takes time. If you talk to early Tesla investors, many will tell you that it wasn't always easy being a Tesla investor. There were ups and downs, but those who believed in the long-term vision are now reaping the rewards and the fruits of their labor. NIO's on a similar trajectory. So what's the takeaway here? NIO isn't just another automaker. It's a company with a bold vision for the future of transportation and energy. They're pioneering battery swap technology, pushing the boundaries of energy storage, and positioning themselves as a leader in the global EV market. I think that long-term investors who are willing to stick it out and see potential in NIO's future could see significant rewards later on. It's about having patience and seeing the company through its growth phases. NIO's plans for 100,000 swap stations and its focus on energy storage are a clear testament to their forward-thinking strategy. This isn't just about cars, it's a holistic approach to energy and mobility. NIO's integrated solutions and their partnerships will play a crucial role in their success. As they expand their product lineup and enter new markets, the potential for growth is immense. In conclusion, NIO is a very ambitious company with a very high ceiling. Pretty much the sky is the limit, but the vision requires patience from its long-term investors, not just day traders trying to turn a quick profit and getting upset with the stock price. The journey won't always be smooth, but the destination will be rewarding. As we look forward to the next decade with NIO, we'll keep an eye on their strategic initiatives and their innovative approach, as well as wish them success. That's all for today's episode of the Courtside Financial Podcast. I hope you found this valuable, insightful, useful, at the very least entertaining. If it was any of those things for you, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. All those things do go a long way in helping out the channel. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the year is over, and it is 2:44 in the morning, by the way. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys later. Peace.